Hi, let's learn about the organization of songs within the Beam Music app. Beam is organized into all songs, collections, and set lists. All songs shows your library, organized and sorted alphabetically by name, duration of time, or alphabetically by composer. The Collections feature in Beam is meant to help you organize your library of songs like a folder or a shelf in your library. You can group songs from your library by type, concerts, warm-ups, sectional rehearsals, etc. You can also organize by genre, difficulty level, or any way that helps you find what you need quickly. Collections are different from set lists in that collections are more for storing and organizing your music, while set lists are for putting together the songs you plan to use in a particular rehearsal or concert where the order is important. That means you and your students have less searching around for music. Everything is neat, organized, all ready to go, and most important, always in sync. For directors, this kind of organization saves prep time. It also helps with planning. Knowing what's coming next in rehearsal or performance is easier when the set list is in order. For ensemble members, it means less confusion. They can quickly find the music they need, warm-ups, rehearsals, or concerts, because it's always in the right place. It keeps their music more focused and less frustrating. Now I would like to walk you through a step-by-step of creating collections and set lists within the Beam Music app. First, to create a new collection or set list, you simply tap the Collections or Set Lists tab. Then tap the plus button located in the upper right corner of the screen. Give it a name, then click Create. Now you can edit the collection or set list by clicking on the three dots in the upper right corner. Next, click on the plus, add or remove songs. Your full library of songs will then appear. Click on all the songs that you would like to add and click the Select button in the upper right corner of the screen to save. Note, these pieces will be sorted alphabetically. Next, within the Set Lists feature, you also have the ability to reorder your pieces. Simply click on the ellipses in the upper right corner of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear. Then click on the Reorder Set List tab. Touch and hold the lines of the song you want to adjust, then drag that piece in any order. Click Done when you are finished to save the new order. Additionally, you can duplicate a song. If you need the song more than once, for example, for different parts of the rehearsal or repeating something, you can duplicate a song in a set list. The same song appears multiple times. It's more than just collecting songs, it lets you plan the flow. Warm-ups, sight reading, repertoire, concert order, and sometimes the concert order can change. Think of set lists like a digital folder for your students with the music always in the correct order depending on the context, rehearsal versus concert. Whether it's collections or set lists, either option will give you the tools you need to organize your ensemble within the Beam Music app.